The Huawei Watch Fit series has always focused on delivering a large display and fitness-focused features in a lightweight design, and the new Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro takes that formula even further. While it keeps the familiar rectangular shape that made the series popular, Huawei has upgraded the materials, durability, display quality, and health tracking capabilities to make this the most premium Watch Fit model yet. At first glance, the Watch Fit 5 Pro looks similar to its predecessor, but the biggest improvements are found in the build quality. Huawei has replaced the previous aluminum alloy construction with a titanium frame and bezel, giving the watch a more premium feel while also improving durability. The watch is available in white, orange, and black, with the white version standing out thanks to its clean design and advanced nanoceramic coating that improves scratch resistance and overall toughness. One of the biggest highlights is the upgraded display. The Watch Fit 5 Pro features a larger AMOLED screen with slimmer bezels, creating a more immersive viewing experience. The display also reaches an impressive brightness level, making it easy to read outdoors, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're checking notifications, fitness data, or navigating through menus, visibility remains excellent in bright conditions. The curved edges of the display also make swiping and navigating feel smoother and more natural. The smartwatch works seamlessly with both Android and iPhone devices through the Huawei Health app. Pairing is quick and simple, and the app provides detailed insights into your health and fitness data. Huawei has designed the software to be easy to understand, allowing users to quickly interpret health information and track long-term trends without feeling overwhelmed by complicated charts or menus. Battery life remains one of Huawei's strongest advantages. Under normal daily use, the Watch Fit 5 Pro can comfortably last between 5 and 7 days on a single charge, even when handling notifications, fitness tracking, and phone calls. This means users can spend more time using the watch and less time searching for a charger. Health tracking is another area where Huawei is pushing forward. The Watch Fit 5 Pro supports continuous heart rate monitoring, ECG analysis, pulse wave arrhythmia monitoring, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and emotional well-being insights. Huawei is also preparing a new diabetes risk assessment feature that uses PPG sensor technology to analyze pulse wave data collected over several days. The system is designed to provide early indications of potential diabetes risk without requiring blood samples, though it is intended as an informational tool rather than a medical diagnosis. For cardiovascular health, the watch can provide indicators related to atrial fibrillation, arterial stiffness, vascular aging, and irregular heart rhythms. Combined with advanced sleep tracking that monitors deep sleep, light sleep, REM sleep, and wake periods, the Watch Fit 5 Pro offers one of the most comprehensive health monitoring experiences in its category. Fitness enthusiasts will also find plenty to like. The watch supports a wide range of activities, including running, cycling, swimming, hiking, golf, and racket sports such as badminton, tennis, and pickleball. Huawei has added advanced tracking for racket sports, providing detailed metrics on swings, shots, and performance. Golfers benefit from access to thousands of golf course maps, while runners can take advantage of advanced route tracking and navigation features. Additional features include NFC payments, offline maps, onboard music storage, downloadable apps, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Combined with its premium design, bright display, strong battery life, and extensive health and fitness tools, the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro positions itself as one of Huawei's most capable smartwatches for users who want both style and functionality in a single device.